Welcome back to Guided Cooking. Today we're excited to share a delicious recipe for teriyaki chicken made from scratch. Here you can see all the ingredients that we will need today. Sesame seeds and green onions are optional. We'll start by mixing soy sauce, water, honey, brown sugar, rice vinegar, sesame oil, grated or finely chopped ginger and garlic, and cornstarch. Mix it all together, and just like that we are done with part 1. Now we're moving to part 2, cooking. Next we'll add our olive oil into preheated pan. After that, our main ingredient. We'll add our diced chicken breast pieces into the pan. We don't want to fully cook the chicken just yet. We are aiming it's no longer pink and has the nice color on the outside. Teriyaki originated in Japan, where teri means shine and yaki means grilled or broiled. I apologize if I'm butchering Japanese. Meanwhile, we pour the sauce on top of the chicken and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. And now your teriyaki chicken is ready. And we are done with part 2. I should tell you, while I was doing all that, I was cooking rice and steaming broccoli. I think it's a wonderful combination. What do you think? And here is how I do that. I think it's pretty simple. I put the rice on the bottom, put teriyaki chicken on top with the sauce, of course, and somewhere on the side or in the corner I put my broccoli. And if you want your dish to look even more amazing, you can sprinkle a little bit of sesame seeds and finely chopped green onions on top. And that's it. What do you think of that? You know what to do if you like the video. Teriyaki chicken. It could be maybe overwhelming in the beginning if you see all the ingredients, but you need a little bit of every ingredient. I think it's pretty simple dish, especially good for the beginners. The chicken is so juicy. By the way, you can prepare this meal for a late supper. Try, experiment, comment in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. It's good.